This is a tutorial on how to create a newsletter using Microsoft Word. The purpose of this lesson is to give you an introduction on some of the basics of Microsoft Word. This will be introduced through use of instruction on making a newsletter. Many of the instruction and methods used here will be useful in using other Microsoft products as they share many of the same characteristics. This is especially important as it is increasingly necessary to use word processing and graphical software in order to complete assignments and for use in the workforce. The methods enforced here are not exclusive to Microsoft products, as software packages from other companies share similar formats. Acquire Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is available through www.microsoftstore.com or local retailers. Install Microsoft Word software as per instructions available during the installation process. After installation, locate the Microsoft Word icon on your computer. Double-click the icon to open the program. Upon opening the program, you will be presented with a graphical list of available templates. Scroll down to Publishing Layout View and choose Newsletters. Once you install the Microsoft Word software on your desktop, you would locate it on the desktop. Click on the icon to open the program. Here you'll find a list of templates. Choose the Publishing Layout View, Newsletters, and choose the appropriate template. So I'm going to choose School Newsletter. From here I'm going to choose the color and the font. And click Choose to finalize your selection. Pick a template. Adjust the color scheme and font scheme on the right of the screen. Click Choose. You'll be presented with a template based on your choices. At this point, you can make changes to the text by clicking on the text that you wish to edit and typing in that field. Once you have your template based on the selections of color and font, you'll get something like this. From here, you can make adjustments to the text by clicking on the text and typing in what you'd like to replace the existing text. You can do the same to other text by clicking on it and doing the same. You may readjust the text by choosing the text, moving the arrow to the edge of the text box, holding down the mouse button and dragging in or outward. Pictures may be changed by right-clicking the image and choosing Change Picture. Choose another picture file, then choose Insert. You can make adjustments to the date, as well as pictures. In order to do this, you choose a picture. Here there's a picture of a beetle, which I'm going to remove and change. So what you could do is double click with your two fingers using a Mac, or right click using a PC, and you'll get this box. Here you'll choose Change Picture. You'll get a list of where you can choose picture files from. In this case, I'm going to choose from my photo file. What I'm going to do here is choose a picture of a guitar and click Insert. Here now you can see that the picture has replaced the picture of the beetle. What you can do is resize the picture by either going to the corner or a side, holding and dragging. So this has resized the picture of the guitar, which can be moved to anywhere in the text. As you can see, the text has changed in order to accommodate the size of the picture. Next, if you're not satisfied with the color in your document, you can always go to Themes and choose a new color scheme. So what I'm going to do is choose Black Tie, and as you can see, the colors automatically changed. The same can be done individually for colors or individually for fonts. Pictures may be moved in text by dragging the image to an intended location. Color may be adjusted by choosing Home, Themes, then Format. You may include word art by choosing Home, Insert, then Word Art. Choose a style. You can insert or adjust text as per instructions. Next, what you can do is if you'd like to add in word art, you can choose word art and choose the type of word art you'd like. As you can see, a box appears, and here you can edit the text. From there, you can either highlight what you've added, and you can change the effects, change the fill. So this one I'm going to choose dark blue, and change the theme colors. Further, you can choose quick style if you wish to change a style that is already available, which I'm going to do here. Now I'm going to move this around just so it's a little bit more visible. And here it is at the top. This can be resized just like any image. As you can see, the text is available in the new style that I've chosen. This can also be inserted anywhere in the text. You may insert shapes using the same method used to insert word art. Shapes may be adjusted using the previously described dragging method. You may adjust the color and placement of shapes as per personal preference. You may choose to do the same with a shape or picture. So for this one, I'm going to choose shape, which is under insert, and choose one of the available shapes. So here you can see their line and connectors, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flowchart, stars and banners, and callouts. So I'm going to choose under callouts oval callout, and then I'm going to draw the shape. So as you can see, the shape is there. And just like other text boxes, I can write text here. From here, I can go to this area and make changes. So if I highlight it, the text within that callout, I can make changes to the font. I'm going to choose Arial Black. Change to the size of the font. I'm going to go 26. And I can make additional changes, such as bold, italics, and underline. From here, I can choose to move the callout to any area I'd like. This can be resized as well by dragging. Once all editing is done to your satisfaction, you will save the newsletter project by choosing the file, then Save. Choose a save destination under Where and name the save file. Click Save. If you'd like to include a picture in your newsletter, other than reformatting a picture that has already existed as I did with the guitar, what you can do is go to Insert, Pictures, choose from either Photo Browser, Picture from File, Clip Art Browser, or Clip Art Gallery. I'm going to choose Clip Art Gallery. From here you get the Clip Art Gallery menu that includes categories, a search bar for searching for clip arts, and an area that shows the search results. From here, I'm going to choose from the category. So I'm going to choose animals, and from here I can do a search through images. I'm going to choose tree frog. Once you've chosen your image, you click on Insert in order to insert the picture. So in this case, the tree frog image shows up at the top of my document. From here, I can click on it, resize it, and move it to anywhere I want in my newsletter. I'm going to move it a little further down. So here, I'm going to add it here, resize it, and there it is as part of my newsletter. Like other images, if I had text available here, the text would resize to incorporate the image. Once you've made all the adjustments in your newsletter, including text, images, word arts, pictures, and clip art, what you would do is go to File, click Save or Save As. So I'm going to choose Save As, give it a file name, and choose where you'd like to save it. I'm going to choose Desktop. As well, you can choose from the format, but I'm going to keep it remaining as Word document. When you're done all that, you choose Save, and the document will save. I'm going to reduce this in order to show you the final result of where it is. So on the desktop, now you can see it says File Newsletter. If I was to double click on that, you would see it would open up again. That concludes the tutorial. Congratulations! You've now completed a basic newsletter project using Microsoft Word. Good job!